Phrasal Fun. Understanding phrasal verbs in English. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of phrasal verbs. This may sound a bit complex, but fear not. We're going to break it down into bite-sized pieces to make it as easy as pie. Remember, understanding phrasal verbs can really elevate your English skills, so it's worth the effort. Phrasal verbs are unique to the English language and a vital part of everyday conversation. They are a combination of words from different categories, such as a verb and a preposition, or a verb and an adverb. For example, turn off, break up, or run out. These pairs create a new meaning that is different from the meanings of the individual words. The magic of phrasal verbs lies in their structure. As we just mentioned, they typically consist of 2 or sometimes 3 parts. 1. A main verb. 2. A particle. This can be an adverb or a preposition. 3. Sometimes an additional preposition. The particle often changes the meaning of the main verb. For instance, look, in English can have different meanings when combined with particles. Look up, to search for. Look after, to care for. Look forward to anticipate with pleasure. Just like regular verbs, phrasal verbs can also be followed by gerunds, the ing form of the verb used as a noun. For instance, we say, I enjoy doing yoga, not, I enjoy to do yoga. Similarly, we can use a phrasal verb in the same way. I look forward to meeting you. The key here is to remember that not all phrasal verbs follow this rule, so it's important to learn them in context and practice regularly. And there we have it. Now you know what phrasal verbs are, how they're structured, and how they can be followed by gerunds. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, try using some phrasal verbs in your day-to-day conversations. You'll be amazed at how this can elevate your English. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.